morning. Today we are going to discuss about basic electrical engineering, that is basic power systems. Power system includes generation, transmission, distribution. Everybody knows that. In generating side, transmission side and distribution side, what is happening, what is the elementary principles only we require for CSE students. Especially this video is made for CSE students only. First we go for what is power station or generating station. The bulk amount of power will be generated in some special plants is known as generating plants. The generating plants may be steam power plants, hydro power plants, diesel power plant, solar power plant, nuclear power plant. So many types of power plants are available present. Steam power station, it is also known as thermal power station. First we go for steam power station or thermal power station. A generating station which converts heat energy of steam into electrical energy is known as a steam power station. A generating station which converts heat energy of coal combustion into electrical energy is known as steam power station. A steam power station basically works on the principle of Rankine cycle. The steam is produced in the boiler utilizing heat of the coal. The steam then expanded in the prime mover. The advantages of steam power station or thermal power station is the fuel cost is quite cheap, that is coal, less initial cost compared to other generating stations. If you go for hydro power station, hydel power plant, its initial cost is more but running cost will be less. Whereas in case of thermal power station, initial cost will be less but running cost will be according to the coal rate. It requires less space as compared to hydroelectric power station. There are so many advantages are there. The cost of generation is lesser than diesel power station. Disadvantages are there. It pollutes the atmosphere. Schematic arrangement and steam power station will be discussed in this video. That is coal and ash handling plant. Steam power plant consists what is that? First the coal will come. The coal will be pulverized into so many parts. That is pulverization, making the coal into so many pieces. It is pulverization. Coal and ash handling plant is the first part. Second is steam generating plant, steam turbine, alternator, feed water, cooling arrangements are there. Whereas coal and ash handling plant, in this diagram we can see coal and ash handling plant. After that the coal will go to boiler. Before going to boiler, it will be pulverized, making the small crushes into small pieces. That is the coal and ash handling plant. After that boiler. In that boiler the coal will be fired, then it produces enormous heat in this boiler. Let us see the diagram of steam power station, nuclear power station, thermal, solar, wind, like that so many power stations. The basics of power system will be there in basic electrical engineering. How it works, what is the diagram is the most important. You can see the video until then you will get idea about basics of power system, that is generating stations.